Okay, guys, today we're going to be playing Mega Marble 1 Pit. And guys, I think you guys have heard of this game because this game has been on for like 5 or 10 years or something, I don't know. Well, guys, we're waiting for Mr. Keem.
If you see my face on it, that means I'm joined. You see?
Well, where is Mr. Who is this guy? Oh, the kid, I see you.
I want to pick yellow. Can we pick yellow?
Okay. And then yellow's the worst one.
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Okay, I think I'm going to. And guys, today we're recording from my screen.
Really like an egg.
Whoa, I fell!
Me too.
If this happened to us in real life, oh. How are you about past me? This doesn't make any sense. Whoa. Okay, the key. This is taking so long. Okay, that's why I don't like the yellow one. The yellow one takes forever to get back. Next sound is my one to pick. Oh no, we have got to get down.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, we have got to get down.
Guys, bye-bye.
Okay, it's the key. Stop calling money. Turn off that.
I want to turn on this.
Okay, we're getting very close.
Getting close.
Come on.
I'm the closest one.
No, I'm close. No, come on, man. This is taking too long. Wow. No way it could take this long. Oh, come on, man. Oh, man. Oh, it's the gear closer. It's the gear. We get that away from me. Come on, this is taking so long. Oh, so close. Guys, look how close. Wait for me. Come on. Oh, so close. Come on. Let's go. Okay, now it's my turn to pick. I want to choose this one.
Whoa, that's really I don't like.
Okay, I picked the sparkly.
I picked the. I picked the sparkle marble.
Oh.
Whoa!
You're literally in front of me.
Band.
Come on.
A band.
You got someone else here. Come on, we'll get in the group chat.
Come on. Put your volume up.
Oh, come on.
Put your volume up.
Okay, there's no sound. Let's go. See, bro, there's no sound. Ah, I fell.
Wow.
It's the key. Look, you fell. Okay, can you wait?
Accident. Wait, I can still do emotes.
Help me! Help me! Okay, Nikki, now it's your turn.
Okay, I know. I can see the win.
Okay, wait, do not go. I want to change my... Do not go, don't go
I
yet.
want the king in my...
Wait, Nikki, I'm still not ready. Now I'm ready. Up, up. Hurry up. You copycat. Yeah, look, you copycat, bro. I let you pick the snow. You decided to copy. You can literally still see my shoe. Man. How are you already there? Oh, come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the king. Okay, now it's my turn. Now I'm going to pick this.
Well, I hate the color pink.
I know, but I got no clue. Even picked. Okay. I actually refuse picking this. I refuse picking this color. No, I refuse picking this color. Okay, let's reset, but it's gonna take too long.
What did it?
Alright, okay. Let me do that again.
Wait, me too.
Please, can we do
it? My turn.
Wait for me. Which one are you? Okay, time to die. Bob. Hey, not funny.
You had to just bounce everywhere.
Let's go. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
I feel like we have already been in this one.
But I can see my body rolling. My tornado.
You look like a snowball.
I know a snowball.
You look like it.
Oh.
This is so boring. Whoa! Whoa! No, please, please, please. Yeah. But Mr. Keem fell.
Boing.
Mr. Keem, wait for me. Whoa! I'm stuck. Okay. That is sad.
Please do not choose the blue one.
Why?
Because it's the most annoying.
What the frick?
It's the most.
Go on the blue one, okay?
No.
Actually, bro, please.
Wow.
Let's change our balls, okay?
I want to change my ball.
Okay, this one's good. Okay. Nikki, I picked the toss. Bro, of course you're copying me.
Because I want to be
Copycat, don't know what you're looking at.
Oh!
Ow. Come on. Human. Up.
Bro, this is why I hate this is why I hate this.
Nikki, I'm so far away from you, I can't even see you. Whoa. Guys, comment down below if you can see Mr. Kim right now.
I see you.
Okay, I went on the orange.
Bro, I'm even born.
No, I'm not trying to be stuck again. No. It's the key, bro. You're getting. Whoever gets the first gets a prize.
I get to choose what they get to
for the whole entire video. Come on, that's gonna be me. Come on, come on, come on. No, no, come on, go in. No, please. Come on. I'm your iPad. Listen to me. Oh, so close.
I'm just an iPad.
No, please. No, please, bro. Bro, please.
Bro.
Bro, please. I'm begging you, man. Man, I'm begging you. Oh no, Mustaqeem might make. No. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do it. How did I choose? This time, I'm not gonna miss. If I miss, then that's insane. Ow! Okay, hurry up.
Can I choose this one? I don't want to do this.
Okay, fine. So I guess the winner was over. If you don't get here in the next 10 seconds, I'm leaving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Guys, they keep literally beating me up. Okay. Not actually, Nikki, but you already made it though.
Oh, Papa, you really went before I went out. No, I get to choose it for the whole thing.
No,
You really went.
Okay, just pick. It's your turn now.
I'm not sorry for your being right.
Okay, let's change our thing. Okay, let's go. 3, 2,
Wait!
1.
I want to keep.
You little copycat, bro. Whee! Whoa! Whoa! I didn't even get near to the red, man. Guess it's time to wait. Nikki, this is going to take too long. Just reset.
No!
It's going to take too long, though. I can't even see. I can see you, bro. Actually, bro, just reset. You're going to take too long.
No.
If we don't do it, I won't be offended. 5, 4, 3, 2. No, actually, reset, man, please. Thank you. Okay, my
Wait for me this time. Oh, Papa, don't wait for anyone.
I do.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, my turn.
I go to the soap.
Okay, I guess I'll just go to this one then. Without you. Wait, I want a cheeseburger. No one likes cookies though.
Eat it?
Why did I take the cookie? Okay, now it's time to go. Let's actually go.
I want to see if there's any more.
No! There's no.
Mom, please, can I choose?
No, you already picked. Let's go this one.
Please, no, this one.
Actually, bro.
Please.
Wait, do not go yet. Don't go yet. Okay, now let's go.
Wait. Okay.
Bruh.
I...
Oh, come on, man.
I just saw you.
I just saw you. And I see you. Let's go.
Okay.
And I went on this platform. Oh, come on.
Okay.
Whoa. Ow.
No.
Your turn.
Okay, now I can. I'm gonna pick around.
I'm gonna change my map to Okay. Now let's go in 3, 2, 1. You copycat, bro. Why is your one a different color?
Because it's a pumpkin.
Your one is kind of cooler than mine. Whoa.
That's why I'm cooler than you.
But you're not cooler than me. I got more oil than you.
No.
So I got more drip than you.
No, I have more drip. It's because
I got more drip, bro.
because how
Guys, comment down below who you think got more drip. Me or Mr. Keem.
Well, type Mr. Key.
No, type. Whoa! Not my turn. Nikki, I think this is the only code we have not been in. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1. I really don't know when to be this. I'm gonna change my to this one. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
It's chokes to
I didn't want to do anything, man. How come you made it? I literally fell straight away. No, at least this looks cool. Okay, guys, when me and Mr. Key arrived out, it will be the end. Whoa, 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 whoa. Or maybe we'll just end it here. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. W Naban, L Mustaqeem.
No!
Peace and bye.
No, W Mr. Keem and W Maban. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Type.
Bye.
Bye. Ah!